Okay, so we just wrote for some special note on this. It's a very small formula, J and E, number of free electrons per atom divided by volume. Steady current for steady current, J equals to I by A, and E equals to I by sigma A, and V D equals to I by NVA. What does it means? This means let's write that also. This means that a given current, this provided current, or let's take a steady current. For a given material and steady current, case of non-uniform cross section of material is directly proportional to I by A, E is directly proportional to I by A, and V is also directly proportional to I by A. This is important, okay? You won't understand now, but when we are doing some numerical, we will use these conditions. For like a ratio, especially in ratio type question, we will use this condition. So like this, they will say, okay, this current, this shape, they'll give some shape and they will compare with the potential difference. Okay, if potential difference is double or length is double, so what will happen to E and J? If V is double, what will happen to E and J? So similarly, we need to compare. Because see, why V here? Because N and E are constant. Number of electrons and charge of electron is constant. And sigma is here what? Surface charge. Fifth point, last point. Variation of drift velocity. E by NE, which is equals to one by NE V by L. And one more thing we can add here. See, Let's assume here I also constant. Because see, same I is flowing throughout. So let's take it as 1 by A. That means inversely proportional to area. V, E, and J, they all are inversely proportional to area. Yeah, I is common for all, so let it be. If you have written already, then don't strike out, just make it equal to or proportional to 1 by A. You can change accordingly. So 1 by NE into what is VE? V by L. Therefore, what we see here, VD is proportional to E. So suppose when length is double, VD becomes when V is double, VD becomes, now fill this blank, VD is drift velocity and V is potential difference. Okay, so what will happen if VD is, sorry, length is double. So first one, length is double. What will happen to drift velocity, VD? See from the formula. What does it mean when length increased, drift velocity what will happen to drift velocity? Come on, see a formula.
So it decreased by 2 times.
Yes, it becomes half. What about this next one?
VD double, sir.
Yes, it becomes twice or double, because here VD and V are directly proportional, VD and E are inversely proportional. Everyone wrote this? Shall I scroll right? Point to remember. Done? Shall I? Is anyone writing? I guess so, no. Current in a wire varies with time. According to the relation I equals to 4 plus 2t square. Okay. How many coulombs pass across section of wire in time interval (5 seconds) to t equals to 10 seconds. Come on, do this. Can you all hear me? Yes, am I audible? No?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Oh, okay. I got disconnected.
Sir, 8 and column, sir.
How much? How much? See again?
8 and column, sir.
No, boy. You missed something. Okay, what's the equation? So it will be no, let me try because they were given 600, but maybe wrong also, printing mistake. Let's calculate. What about this? Divya?
Sir, I used I is equals to dq by dt equation.
Ah, yeah, that is true. You have to do that only.
Yes. I'll check it once.
Check again. Maybe my this book says 603. 603. And you got 810. Okay, let's see. What about this? Jafar, what's your answer? Sai Charan, Sainiyati, Shamita, and Divya. What are your answers? Quickly tell me. Nobody completed? Okay, then let me solve. So I equals to dq by dt. So dq equals to I dt. For this, we need to integrate. Integrate dq 4 plus 2t square. Integrate dt with the limit 5 to 10. Q to 4t plus 2t cube by 3 Did I miss anything? 40 2t cubed by 3 4 into 10 plus 2 by 3 into 10 cube minus 4 into 5 plus 2 by 3 into 5 cube. Forty plus 1000 2000 by 3 minus 20 minus 125 into 250 by 3. Seven 50 by 3. 1750 by 3. 7 plus 5 12 12 plus 1 13. So it won't be divisible by 3. So 60 18.
Sir, we'll get a 603.33.
Are we getting 693?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
1750 by 3, I got 583.33, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir, it's 6.3.
Okay, then let's write that. Do anyone getting same answer or any other answer? Jafar, what's your answer? Send me in chat box. Divya, you also got 603, right?
Yes, sir, 603.
Okay, I got 2% 603. Any other?
Sir, I also got 603, sir.
Okay, super. So let's fix this. That means book answer is correct. Okay. Let's go for second question. City at a point is 2 into 10 to the power 4 in J direction. Find the rate of charge flow cross sectional area S such that is 2 centimeter square J cap. B S equals to 4 centimeter square. Oh, not J. I cap S equals to 2I plus 3 J centimeter square. Okay. Okay, for the current density at a point is this much. Actually, this one is very easy. So let me give you a small hint. Formula. So one more hint, J dot J will be 1, but J dot I will be 0. Now try this. Compare J, current density J, and multiply with S. Anybody tried? Shall I solve? I'm doing it. Sorry. What's the value? 2 to the power 4 J. Okay. Dot minus 4 J. So J into J 1. So 2 ampere. 10 to the power 4 and 10 to the power minus 4 will be B. Four I. Okay, anything, let it be. No need to write here. 4I means 0. C. 2I plus 3J.
So it's 6, sir.
Yeah, exactly. 2 into 10 to the power 4 J dot 2I plus 3J into 10 to the power minus 4 will give you 6. This into this, this into this. Anyone having doubt? Pawan,
Sir,
any doubt?
no, sir.
Sai Charan,
No, sir.
Chanmita? Chanmita, are you with us?
Yes, sir.
You have any doubt in this one?
No, sir.
Okay. What about Sainiyati? Are you with us or not? I hope so. Okay. A typical wire laboratory experiment is made of copper. And has a radius 0.815 mm. Calculate the drift velocity of electron in such a wire carrying a current of 1 ampere. Assuming one free electron per atom. This is a little bit long question, I think. So let's see. Typical wire of a laboratory experiment is made of copper and has a radius okay. Such a do we have any idea about this? You want to try? You can go on, try it first. If you want, I can write equation. T, which is QN AVD, two formulas. Okay, let me solve this. Okay. 0.85. 0.815. 1 electron per atom. Okay. That means, see, we need a density of copper. Density of copper, okay, it's 8.9. Okay, fine. That we know, okay. Then molar mass 63. Okay. And we need to multiply those. Okay, fine. That's solid. This is a formula, fine. So let's assume Na as number of density of copper atom. So we need to find this one. How can we find? By mass density of copper. Then molecular mass and Avogadro's number. Avogadro's number. Fine. These three things we need. These are, I'm just making a list. What are things that required? Okay, fine. Drift velocity, which is I by N QA, I by Q and A. Fine. And V potential difference is J by NQ. Now they are saying 1 free electron per atom. So N equals to Na number. What is N now? Number of densities of free electrons is equals to number of density of copper. Okay. The density of copper per copper density is 8.93. They didn't give here, but actually they will give generally. Gram per centimeter cube. So generally they will give. No need to worry, but standard, if you remember, then also okay. M 63.5 gram per mole. Now Na, as we wrote yesterday, rho N by M. 8.93 into Avogadro number 6.02 into 10 to power. How much? Do you remember? If you don't, remember this now. $63.5. This is atoms per mole. This should be, this is grams per mole. And this one is gram per centimeter cube. So if we multiply, how much we'll get? 8.93 into 6.02 0, 2. Multiply and tell me what are we getting here? 6 and 6. If we cancel, it will be almost around 8. Multiply and tell me. Gram down. So mole potential means something into atoms per meter cube. This is your N. Oh, this is centimeter, no? Yeah. Then we'll convert this into atoms per meter cube. Okay, you calculate and tell me. Till then, I'll just proceed. What shall we do next? Here, Q equals to E. So A will be area pi r square. We need A also, right? What else we need? So VD equals to I N Q A. It means I N A E. A means pi r square. Pi r square. So I is 1 coulomb, and we are about to get E is 1.6 into 10 to power minus 19 into 3.14 into R is 815 mm. That means 0.123 815 the whole square. Okay. Now quickly tell me NA value so that I can complete the question. Guys, anybody completed? Pawan, have you done calculation? Are you doing it?
Sir, doing it.
Okay. What about Divya?
So doing.
Sure. Okay, do it everyone and tell me quickly about NA value so that I can substitute here and find VD. VD will be in meter per second. Yes, बच्चा लोग.
Sir, 0.85 into 10 to the power of 23 atoms per centimeter cube.
0.85 10 to power
23 in 23 atoms per centimeter.
I got 0.84, sir.
84 and next digit.
6, sir. 846.
Okay. So 0.846 or 85. Okay. Oops. So if we convert this one into meters, so what shall we do? Okay, but one more thing. This is the answer, right? So always write in this form. Before decimal, there should be only one digit. Always write this way. Okay, now what about this one? If I want to convert into meter cube, what shall I do? Shall I write answer? Or you want to give your answer?
Sir, 10 to the power of 28.
Yes. 8.46 into 10 to power 28.
Sir, I didn't understand why you took G is equals to E. Sir.
Which one?
Down, sir. G is equals to E have taken.
Q equals to E.
Yes, sir. Sorry, sir. Q is equals to.
Yeah. See, magnitude of charge is E. So here charge and E both are same
Okay, sir.
because you have one free electrons per atom. So one charge we will assume. So multiply and tell me last one. Let's see who is getting first. Calculation, main thing is calculation. Shall I do calculation? Ten to the power 28 and 19 minus 19. Then how many zeros are there? So 8.46 into 1.6 into 8.14 into 8.5 into 8.15. Multiply all this. Yes. Completed. Anyone? Okay, then let me multiply. Powers be multiplied.
Sir,
So
I got approximately 396. Sir.
3
96, sir.
I got 394, sir.
into 10 to the power how much?
Sir, that will get cancelled, sir, 10 to the power.
No, it won't be.
-3 will get, sir, 10 to the power of -3. On removing the decimal, get 10 to the power.
28 minus 19 minus 6. Okay, that you have done this one by one divide by whatever xyz value into 10 to power minus 3. So this will become in 10 to power 3. And if you divide 1 by those numbers, Okay, first tell me what is the multiple value? If you multiply all this, okay, let me do multiplication. $15, $225, 8, 64. $66, 66. $66425. Then 3.14 into 1.6. 16 for the 64. 620. 48, 50. 1, 2, 3 decimals. So 5 point. So multiply by 5. If we do this, multiply by 5. 8.46 into 5.024. So if we just multiply by 5, 5 is a 40. 46, 49, 1498. So 41.49.
42.50, sir.
48.
42.50, sir.
Which one? This multiplication?
Yes, sir. That multiplication is 42.50.
24. Okay, let's just take this one. This one is enough. Okay, so it is 30, yes, 42.30. Yeah. So 42 here into this much. This is long calculation. And again, we have to divide by 1. Okay. Yeah, I can understand your pain now.
Sir, I directly did it, sir.
Okay, what you did directly?
Like I divided the whole product with 1,
Yeah,
and
that's
even that 0.00815 square is there, no, sir. Yeah, like you are multiplying it step by step, but I did all mixed up, sir. I got it around 3.9, sir.
3.9 into.
Doing, sir. It is like big number, so it's still doing.
Okay. 40, 15. Okay, let me use calculator only. 2809671. 2 decimals. Okay. So this is what 1 divided by 2809671.75. If I use calculator, I'm getting here 3.55 into 10 to power minus 5. Meter per second. Okay, so you have to try that you have to try to get this number. 1 divided by this one. Still, if we want to make it simpler, let me try that way. Yeah, almost will get same. See, if I just make it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, round up to digits, I have done, I think so. Okay, see, do like this, just make it round up to digits 1 by 3 or 1 by 2.8 into 10 to power 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So then you will get nearby 3.33 something. Yeah, do like this. No need to do whole division. Okay, because anyhow we will get similar number. It will be small difference. If I take round up to 3 also, then it will be 1.33, sorry, 3.33. So no need to waste time like this, what I'm doing here. I'm wasting a time. So no need to do that. So instead of that, just make it divide 1 by 2.8. That's it. Remaining is in 10 to power 5. This 9671, it won't be much difference. It won't make much difference here. It won't add or subtract in these values. It will be just 0.01 or 2 difference. It's not a big deal. So this, instead of wasting time in that, find this value, and in option it will be some nearby values. So use that. So don't waste time like this. Make it round off, but don't make so much round off, but just nearby. So answer is 3.55 10 to power 5. I mean minus 5. That is a VD value. Don't make so long division, okay? Make it nearby.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, guys. See you tomorrow. Not tomorrow, maybe. Tomorrow I'll be traveling, so I won't be. If I have, like, if I am on proper place, I'll take class. Otherwise, I won't. I'll inform you priorly.
Yes, sir.
Okay, guys.
Thank you, sir.
Bye-bye.
Thank you.